Hello everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to sign up and play Bet365 on the USA. Firstly, open your web browser and go to Bet365 website or download the app. Tap Join Now and fill in your personal info like full name, date of birth, address, and contact details. Then choose a username and a strong password you remember. Next, if you have a promo code, enter it in the bonus code box and then read in full the offer terms. Bonus availability depends on your country and the current promotion rules. After that, check the box confirming your legal betting age and that you accept Bet365's terms and conditions. Click Join Bet365 to submit your registration. Now open the confirmation email and then click the verification link. You need to complete identity verification because you need to upload an ID and proof of address to unlock deposits and withdrawals. After that, go to deposit and choose a payment method, then enter the amount and follow the prompts. Next, check any minimum deposit rules and bonus wagering requirements before you claim an offer. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.